gentlemen, the boss my friend, no? Alright, you can see this is just minor little fufu, 7 fufu. And we are here with another food challenge with Chimaco
Media.
Chimaco Media. I will mellow you today.
You know?
Chimaco Media said I want to challenge me on this food challenge. This is calm down now, but they don't they up to you. That's why, yeah, in the verse. Don't make me verse. He said first to finish is going home with a sum of how much?
100,000.
100,000. First to finish is going home with a sum of 100,000. This is 7 fufu. You understand? So are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
I wash my hand.
I'm ready, bro.
Bros, this guy is a chop. This guy is a chop. But the food challenge is not for the weak. Are you ready?
Are
you ready?
The wine. I'm ready now.
Game start.
Okay, pull up on go.